fall is here and winter is approaching, I bake a lot more and I use honey in a lot of my recipes. So the easy part is getting your honey into your measuring cup. The hard part is getting it from the measuring cup into your mixing bowl. And I think we've all been here. It takes a while, it never all comes out. You get a spatula, try to scrape it out, and now it's stuck to the spatula. It's a mess. Grab yourself some cooking spray. Spray your measuring cup or your spoon. Add your honey. Isn't this awesome? I love this trick.